Since inception of LaunchPad, we've helped fund over 250 companies to the tune of about $1.2 billion.
I actually interfaced with LaunchPad SBDC several times over the past 5 years, and it's a unique experience.
We needed that kind of coaching to be effective. It's not just about having a great product or a great mission. That has to be communicated well, and that's really where they came in.
Well, I think LaunchPad SBDC should be incredibly proud of the platform that they have built, because for entrepreneurs, you need to go through a process where you have that tough iron sharpening iron experience before you go out to make those pitches.
LaunchPad was created as an accelerator rather than an incubator or some of the other earlier stage organizational help. More of an accelerator to get these companies launched past the initial business plan development.
What we do is help focus the entrepreneur on hitting the key elements that the investors really want to hear, rather than getting really detailed in the technology.
We are looking for, first of all, companies that are engaged in solving a problem with a technology solution. Secondly, and that could be either in the high-tech area or in the med-tech area, life sciences in general. Secondly, we're looking for a company that has gone through the process of thinking about their business model. And we try to differentiate ourselves by using something that's in addition to the mentor program. So we get together these wonderful volunteers from the industry who are very knowledgeable about the business the presenting company is in. And we put them in a panel process with the idea that these folks are going to act as if they are an investor at the first meeting. And we've coached our companies in a way that refines their investment presentation so that it can convince those investors to have that second meeting, which is all important.
By bringing a group of experts together to meet with startup companies, provide them guidance on their business plans, provide them access to opportunities with capital or talent, it really comes to life at the LaunchPad meeting.
Well, results is a pretty extensive analytic report that shows them exactly the components that we think are important for an investor, that they've done well on, the ones that they've fallen a little short on, and then the ones where they really need remedial help. And so we focus our subject matter advice on those particular areas. The end of the whole process is to raise the quality of the investment presentation to the point where we can start making warm introductions to investors in our network.
I think everyone in this ecosystem really wants to give back to the community and pay it forward and really upbring and lift up the ecosystem here.
We get together in these kinds of panel discussions, and the ideas fly, and the critiques are living and active and valuable.
What you have with LaunchPad is a very highly experienced group of subject matter experts that can really facilitate companies getting to the market much quicker without making the same kinds of mistakes that probably a lot of us have made along the way.
Because companies change and they morph and they move to different directions, and they can challenge themselves by going through LaunchPad every time.